My friends. All right, so let's say you wanted to see the source of this page, right? So normally you'd be able to use a shortcut with the Mac. I think it was Command Option U, but I'm doing that and it doesn't work. So, or you could like pick somewhere around here and right click. You can do that for sure in Windows, but on Safari on the Mac, you can't do that. So what's going on here? Well, it turns out that by default in the newer version of the OS on Mac, it has been disabled. So we have to enable it. So go to Safari, click there, go to Preferences, click there. All right, now go to Advanced, click there. All the way down here at the bottom, it says Show Develop menu in menu bar. All right, click on that. And now you'll see Develop popped up here at the top, right? So now we can close out of that, go up to Develop, go down, and now we should have the option to Show Page Source. And there it is right there. Option Command U. Press that, and now you can see the page source. Great. So that's how you do that. If this helped you at all, go ahead and smash the like button, and I'll see you on the next one.